Hi friends, welcome to Dongina's Kitchen. Hi to K1, K2, and K3. Today we are cooking three different dishes. You know what it is? Okay, who wants chicken nuggets? Oh yeah, who wants pancakes? And who wants musubi? Alright, so without further ado, kids, let's cook! It's for our chicken nuggets. We need these ingredients. So, eggs, ground chicken, flour, breadcrumbs, carrots, potato, onion, salt, pepper, and oil. Alright, remember your veggie. This is a very healthy chicken nuggets. Make sure you ask your parents help and grate the potato and carrots like this. So here's the grated carrots, grated onion, and this is the grated potato. Okay friends, this is so easy. So get a mixing bowl, make sure you wash your hands and mix all the ingredients, starting with the potato. Next one, carrots. Make sure you don't play with the food. Alright, and chicken. Add in the onions, a little bit of onions, a little bit of pepper to taste, a little bit of salt. If you have seasoning or soy sauce, you can also add a little bit. Alright, and then mix it with your hand. Make sure it's clean. Don't play with the food. K1, K2, and K3. Just make sure you mix it and you don't waste any food. Okay? If you don't want to use your hand, friends, you can always use spatula. Like this one. If it's well mixed, the next thing you want to do is put it to your freezer for about 5 minutes. So we're gonna get back to this later. Okay, we are back. Here is our chicken, and we will mold this using this cookie cutter. All right, here we are. Here's our mold. All right, and we are gonna mold our chicken nuggets before we apply breadings and fry it. Okay, so let's do this. Apply chicken. There you go, you have one. So if you want a star here, to allow the mold Okay, Come on, look closer. Okay, for a closer look, here it is. Heart shape, heart shape. And chicken. Put it in. Press. So the chicken will be molded. Alright, so press slightly and then remove the excess chicken. Remove the excess chicken. And then lift gently. There you go. Okay, then put it to the freezer for 10 minutes and then we'll be back. Okay friends, while waiting for the chicken nuggets, let's prep our breading. So we need an egg and milk. Okay, we are back and here are our chicken nuggets, a little bit chilled. Now get it, put it on the flour and then get a fork, dip it to our mixture, get it with your fork and then dip it to your breadcrumbs and sticky. Now we have a beautiful heart-shaped nugget. And put it on a new plate and then repeat the process to the other nuggets. Okay friend, it is okay to make a mess, but make sure you don't waste food and you make sure you clean up after. Okay, okay, we are done. The only thing that is left to do is fry them. All right. Okay friends, we are ready to fry. Let's fry them and start putting your nuggets carefully. All right. Fry it for around 10 minutes. We will be back. This is done. Lift it gently. Put it on a plate. Here, beautiful. Okay friends, here are our chicken nuggets. Let me taste the heart shape. Perfect. Let's go to our next dish. Let's go. Okay friends, are you ready for our next menu? Okay, let's go! Okay, let's go! Okay friends, for our next menu, musubi. This is very easy, so let's go! Here are the ingredients. This is very easy. We need rice, meatloaf, nori, cookie cutter, vinegar, and seasoning or soy sauce. Okay, so to start with, let us season first the rice. Let's put around 2 tablespoons of vinegar. then a little bit of seasoning, and then mixed it. That's it for our rice. Grab some pan and just lay the rice down. And leave it on the side. Okay, for our meatloaf. Now make sure you have your parents, you have an adult assistance, because we're gonna use the knife. And then ready your pan. We are going to fry the meatloaf. Okay, here's the pan. We're ready to fry. Ta-da! Here it is. Now we are ready to assemble. This is very easy. All right, get your mold here. Press it against the rice. And then turn it. Try to get it. Yes. There you have it. Now we have our rice over here. Get your seaweed and then just put it there. Push in your rice over there. Beautiful. And then get your meatloaf. Twist it a little bit. Then it should come out easily. Then here's your meatloaf. Put it on top, and then this is ready to eat. So if you don't have cookie cutter, you can like just make a square, like, and get it, turn it upside down, get your meatloaf on top, get a knife, and then you can share it to your friend or sibling or cousin. There you go. Nice. Now let me taste. Delicious. Okay. Let's go to our third dish. HE, welcome back. And now we are going to cook our pancakes. So these are the ingredients that we need. Flour, 3 tablespoons, 2 bananas, 2 eggs. If you have cinnamon powder, it can help. Okay, first step, peel the bananas and mash it bowl. Now, put in your eggs. Then mix them all together. So easy, yeah? Now put in your 3 spoons of flour. 1, 2, 3. And little cinnamon. Okay, smells good. Now here it is. We are back, and let's heat our pan and start cooking our pancake. So heat your pan and get your butter. Put a little bit of oil of butter. Scoop your banana pancakes at the center. There you go. Then wait for it. Move it a little and then flip it. Careful with your flipping. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Yes. Oops. There you go. Okay, this is ready. So do this until you cook all your pancakes. Okay. Scooped butter, because is what pancakes for. Butter and let it melt. There you go. Alright, let's go. Okay friends, our pancakes are done. Alright. And to finish it off, we will put pancake syrup. There you go. And a little bit of surprise. Yay, party! Delicious. Okay friends, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy cooking and enjoy eating. Bye!